Hello guys, welcome to my 11th tutorial of Java programming. Today's topic is object in detail. Okay, uh, so there's one class dog. Dog D is equal to new dog. So what's going on here? I will tell you. New dog is an object. When you say new, means you are calling JVM. You are calling JVM to allocate memory for dog object. So it will allocate memory for dog class. Okay, for dog class it will allocate the memory, and there's some address of this 200. I think I will say 200. And this new dog D is a reference variable. Reference variable, what is a reference variable? When you assign, means equal to means you are assigning this the address of dog object to the reference variable D. What is the here? It will contain 200. Okay, it will contain 200. So when you are assigning the address of variable, address of the object, dog object, it will refer this. It will refer to this object. Okay, using this small d variable, you can access the method present inside dog class, like eat method, which is present inside dog class. So you can use it. Just I want to show the implementation. Wait, I'll show you how the whole program is going on. I will use one dog class. Implementation is very important. Coding is very easy if you feel the coding here. Okay, dog class string, name of the dog. Name should be a string type. String is what? String is a data type. I've told you object have two part, hash part handled by data type. So dog has name, and name is handled by data type using a string. Now second thing is cost of the dog. So it should be integer type. Integer should be written as int cost. Now I will use one method, that is void eat, means dog eat something. I will give the body to eat method. We have to provide body. Void bark, we have to provide body. Practice it, you will really get success for this. Sys out dog eat. Okay, dog bark, dog eat, dog bark. Now in main method I will create the object. How I have to create the object? By using new dog. It will create one object. JVM will create one object. Now I have to assign the address. Assign means I have to give the address of this object to one variable, reference variable, that is D. D of which type? Dog. So in this way we have to read new dog. It means it is an object. We are assigning the address of this object to the reference variable D, and D means a small d is of which type? Is of type dog. A small d is of type dog. This way you can read it and using this small d you can access name, first of all name, or what, wait, what thing I have given, name and cost. Okay, you can name equal to, I will say Poco. D dot cost I will say 99. Okay, and d dot eat method I will access, d dot bark method I will access simply. Okay, now if I access something, then I should sys out, it should be printed, Anna. How should we print it? Name cost eat method wait, I will use like that, sys out will it work? Yeah, I think it will work. Sys out cost. Okay, sys out sorry d dot eat wait, you don't have to write this, we can simply call it, because sys out is already there, sys dot eat. Okay, now I will run. So you can see here name Pogo, cost 99. I have already, when I used to access d dot eat method, it have printed like, you can see eat method dog eat, bark method then dog bark. So this is how the things are working. So guys, this is all about object. So thank you for giving me thank you for watching, and subscribe it if you really understand all these things. Like it, share it with your friends. Thank you.